Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Morayo. I'll be talking about travel, tours, gist, vibes, everything like that. So today I am going to talk about Maldives. I posted something about it, but not too much. So I'm going to just give you guys details. I've been able to gather 6 places, 6 5-star hotels that you can go to on a budget to Maldives. I'm going to share my screen and show you guys the 6 hotels in details and what the prices are. I'll show you guys. It's a right now on budget with what I checked, but just to let you know, the time you would be seeing this, the price might have changed. That's why I will be showing you different prices and the pictures of these hotels. Oh my god. They are really nice. Okay, watch out. Let's go. And please, before you start watching, click that subscribe button and share to your friends that's going to Maldives. The first one I have here is Kandima Maldives, which costs 779 for 4 nights. They have 62% off as well, so this is not like their regular price. Also, I noticed that if you're booking on your with your phone, it's quite cheaper than using laptop. Just compare the prices and make sure that they are the same, or whichever one is cheaper, book from there. See, they have different prices for different time. Just make sure you book when it's cheaper. Okay, we are doing budget here, and it looks so nice, pretty. Yeah, of course. Anything Mariah gives you is going to be nice on budget niceness. See the rooms, okay, with breakfast. So if you're doing all inclusive or half board, it's going to be more expensive. So just check the package included. I always prefer all inclusive, especially in a place like a resort where it's like beach and it's quite hard to get to food. So in this kind of situation, I would pick all inclusive. I know it's more expensive, but it's going to worth the price at the end of the day. And their reviews 8.9. It's a 5-star hotel, guys. Nice. See the comments. Go through the comments. If you see anything you don't like, you can go for another one. They have some activities as well. Some of them you would need to pay, but most of them, okay, don't let me say most of them. A lot of them you need to pay. Well, I'm sure it's going to be worth it. Yeah. Okay. Let me know what you guys. So what we have right here is the Centara collection. Posh. It also has a date limitation. I don't know. Just call and confirm. This is quite cheap in September. See, as time goes, it gets more expensive. So, see, in May it's cheaper. Like I said, it has this off and on like peak period. So during the off peak, it's cheaper compared to the peak period. But it's gosh, it seems like see, I'm even singing because what the rooms, just sleeping here and looking at the views. Is this the green things in the water? Is it clean or I don't know? That looks doesn't look clean though. Hmm. Yeah, guys, it's not me. Oh. Yeah. And the third place here is the Cinnamon Velifushi Maldives. This place is quite nice. The view, it's cute. 74 with breakfast included. Half body is 1-1, as you can see on the screen, and the whole inclusive is 1-3. This is definitely what it is. A 65% off discount. Though I think it has like the um discount is like duration. I don't know about the duration, why there was a particular duration. It might be worth calling the result and they're just confirming with them if it's just the price or if it's that's when they open. Okay. Just confirm with them. See the views, the rooms. It's nice. I don't really like the way the room is to be honest, but uh, I put this there because my preference is different from someone else. But I'm this kind of luxury, classic kind of room. You got me. uh, and their reviews are nice. 9.2. It's also a 5-star, guys. I just put some of the reviews there so you can see. It's a good deal. The next one is the Royal Highland Resort in Maldives. City Garden. Hmm. I can imagine myself having that massage. Oh God. I have to go to this place next year. Like I used to think it's so expensive, like really massively expensive. And then on my TikTok, someone asked me to talk about it. So I told the person, "Oh, it's so expensive." And she said, "No, that some of these are like we can get a cheap, like a nice on budget ones." So you trust me now. I went to check it and I saw some really nice, like 5 stars. So all the places I've been showing you so far, they are 5 star results. Just to let you know, if you check all the 5 star results, check and compare the prices with this ones, and then you will see the difference. The difference. Oh God, English. You shall get me. You get me. uh, so it has different prices for different ones, and if it's like full board, all inclusive, breakfast included. You see, this Bandos Maldives is an extra because you watch till the end. So, guys, please, please, and please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, thank you. I saw it. I wasn't planning to add it to it, but then I saw it and I'm like, wait, what? This place is nice. And then I chose to add it. Just going to show you some like quick pictures. As you can see, you won't be charged yet. So even if you book it and you're not like you want to cancel, you can always cancel. I feel like that's why I prefer booking.com compared to Love Holiday. I've booked Love Holiday before and I always end up losing money because they are so unflexible. Very bad. So I was supposed to go to Qatar last year, and then I lost a lot of money because I booked through Love Holiday. Ugh, I won't make that mistake again, never. I'm not trying to spoil someone's market, but I don't like the fact that they are not flexible at all. This is 924. See, it's 824, not as good. So the value for money in this one is quite low. I just added it because it's cheap and it's nice, but you don't have to choose it. You go for whichever one you prefer. Just put in some house. Guys, thank you for watching till this point. So this is going to be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. If there is anywhere you would like me to talk about, any place, any activities, just put it down in the comment section and I'll try and get to it.